Mission accomplished. Hi guys. It is 9:25 p.m. and napatulog ko na yung mga kids. So, earlier today, nag-live sell ako sa Zaxi.
This is so exciting guys kasi ang dami nating pa-sale ngayon. And it's also exciting for me kasi ang dami nating new items ng Zaxi. And with this, if you want the longer version, ganyan siya. Even in this outfit, actually, ang jeans blue, marami rin siya pwedeng bagayan because like the color of the jeans.
Tapos, yun, sobrang bagsak ko pag uwi. Nakatulog talaga ako sa kotse nang nakanganga. And then, alam mo yung half awake, half asleep ka, ganun yung tulog ko. Pero, hindi ko magawang gumising talaga. So, kahit pagod, ganyan. Pero alam ko may na-achieve ako, may nagawa ko, nakapag-work ako. Masarap sa feeling. Update nga pala. Nabenta ko na yung dalawang cameras ko. Tapos nakabili na ako ng laptop. Gusto ko sana talaga yung Apple. Kasi ma-Apple talaga ako na product. Yun din ang nire-recommend nila for music production and editing. Kasi maganda na daw ngayon yung mga lumabas na MacBook. Kaya lang, wala sa budget. So, ito, binili namin sa friend namin. So, nakakuha kami ng magandang deal. Tapos, na-upgrade ko rin yung specs niya. Yung RAM, and then yung memory. Upgrade ko. So, 32 gig RAM. Tapos, yung sa memory naman is 1 terabyte na siya. Kailangan ko naman sana yung gumamit ng Windows ulit. Ito, gagawin ko is, I'll try to explore it para masanay-sanay na ako sa kanya. Yan lang, share ko lang this one. So, thank you guys. I'll see you on the next.
I went to have my lashes done at Prime Lash and I got to meet this lovely lady, Rich, who is actually the CEO herself. By the way, they have 5 branches, including this one at BG's. Prime Lash aims to provide high-quality lash extensions and exceptional customer service at affordable prices for everyone. I heard about their story and I really admire how Rich is very hands-on and passionate about her business. I learned a lot from her, and she also shared about how she manifested finally meeting me and even promoting her brand. But I am just as grateful as she is. I've been wanting to do more for myself, and that includes self-care and beauty treatments, because I learned that I'm able to show up better, not only for myself, but for my loved ones when I'm taking care of me too. No matter how hectic our schedules can be, family time is always top priority. So we really try our best to balance everything out, life and work, rest and play. Sometimes things can go wrong, but that's okay. We always find ways to work things out together. Our kids are actually growing up to be such wonderful and amazing people. But sometimes I can't help but wonder, am I giving them the best? Are they experiencing the best? Do they know how proud I am of them? Or even how much I love them? Because I know that no matter how much I want to protect them from what I hope they don't experience, we each have our own lives to live. We each have our own journey. But I pray that when they look back at these videos, they'll remember all the fun, adventure, and joy that they have brought to our lives just because of their existence.
RC. Video. What are you writing? What's the name of your horsey? Oh, tell kita camera. Yours is good. Ha? Ma, ano sila? Sash, tabi.
So, here it is, ang aking in-order na office table. Ito yung magiging office table ko for this room. Kasi if you will see, maliit lang yung space. Ito yung natin kong ginagamit. Console table siya. Tapos, ito, dining table siya. It's meant to be a dining table. Pero, ganito lang yung kailangan ko. Kasi, pwede siya ma-convert to different things. Mas gusto ko yung mga ganong gamit, yung mga multi-purpose siya kaysa sobrang bulky. Tapos, mahirapan mag-move around dito. Kasi ito, naka-convert namin itong studio sa iba't ibang bagay. So, pag nag-shoot ako, or pwede ako mag-shoot ng podcast, yan, pwede siyang magamit for different things. Pwede 2 taong dyan, or pwede rin kainan. Kahit ano. So, now we will set this up with spine first. Ay, careful lang!
Hi, everyone!
Sige, minute swatch! Swatch, which one is longer? Parang now.
Zizi wants to help. You're doing great, Zizi.
All good.
Wow.
Last one.
What, Zizi? What did you say? All good?
Okay, go turn pa, turn. Is it tight? Oh, tighten pa. One more, harder. Harder. Okay na? How about this one? Can you check? It's good now. Okay, Daddy will check.
Okay.
Daddy will
I
check.
think it's ready now. Good job! Yay! Wow,
Yes,
you
high
did
five.
it! Thank you, boys. We had to high five, my lovey dove. Daddy, high five daw. Daddy and Mama. Wow! Great job, love. Go, Zizi. Wow, Zizi's health is really strong. Wow.
Careful.
Careful.
Makanto yung
okay,
ano, mapunit.
Don't hold that part na sa feet yan. Yan, dito ka. Hold that
Watch
part
out your feet.
yan. Wow, good job.
Very
Wow.
good.
Wow, thank you, guys. Only Mama and Zizi will do it? Okay, let's do it. Let's do it again. Let's do it again.
Okay? Okay, Daddy, Mama, and you to do it. 1, 2, help me. 1, 2, 3.
Is it heavy?
Wow.
Okay, move here, move.
Come here,
Okay,
Daddy.
paka-scratch.
Come here, Daddy.
Oh my God!
Anyway, ayan. Ito nga, hindi nga mom. Ito rin yung naging problem ko. Meron siya dyan. Okay, come here. No more dede. Ito mas safe na siya for Zizi. Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye!
Oh my God, guys. Sobrang totoo talaga. Totoo talaga yung sinasabi ko lagi na ask and you shall receive. Knock and the door will be open to you. Seek and you shall find. Kinikilig talaga ako yun. Oh my God. Sabi niya, nagising tuloy si Izzy. Sabi na pag stinap ko yung music, magigising yung anak ko. I'm here, love. Anyway, basta ang kwento ko is mamaya na lang. Oh my God.
OMG.
Oh my gosh. What are you doing right now?
I'm trading.
You're trading where?
Come on. With the new laptop. 1 tera.
Nag-aagaw na ako sa office ko. My goodness. Pinapaayos ko lang sa kanya yung battery eh. Diyan. Saan na yun? Diyan.
Lang.
Ano na nangyari?
Maganda yung entry natin.
Uupo na po ako.
Give me 5 to 10 minutes. I'll just make some money. Wait lang. Ano tayo entry?
Ay, naku.
Hi, Nako. Hi, Nako. Thank you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Oh, thank you. Nafa-frustrate ako kasi tingnan ko yung mga videos ko. Tingnan ko sa laptop para bigger screen. Kasi diba ang late ng screen itong DJI. Tapos nakita ko, ang laki-laki ko na naman ngayon. I'm so big. Laki-laki ko, like, super bloated. Pero, ang ginawa ko, I look back last year. Kasi last year, may time na super bilis kong pumayat. Like, 2 weeks lang ata yun. Sobrang laki ng na-lose kong weight. Pero, more on kasi pala, ko, bloated. Marami akong water retention. Ano ba ng anak ko? Ano gawa niyan? So, yun, tinignan ko. So, parang, in less than a month, naka-lose ako ng ganong kalaking weight. Kaya lang kasi that time,
Yeah, it's you.
So, that time, nag-lose nga ako ng weight na sobrang bilis. Umayat agad yung braso ko, tapos yung likod ko, yung tiyan ko. Pero, hilo-hilo talaga ako noon. Kasi nga parang, parang super duper low sugar. Pero, pinagbabawalan talaga ako mag-take ng sugar. Noon. Tapos, parang nagkasakit din ata kami. Dali namin nagkasakit ni Z. So, have to think of a way na makapag-lose ako ng weight in a healthy way. Siguro kailangan ko. Test nun, bawal mag-fruits. Ang hirap, bawal mag-fruits. Ang pwede lang na fruits na natitake ko nun was, ano ba yun? At as weekend pwede cheat day. Yung fruits sa stem cell, yun na lang yung pwede. Uy! Kasi Bernula! So yun, hindi ko alam paano. Kasi parang ngayon, keto rice ako and then, napansin ko ngayon, parang may allergy na ako sa soy. So, even soy sauce. Yung mga ulam. Yung ba naman mga favorite kong ulam? Yung mga may soy. And tofu. So, I don't know what's happening. Tapos yun, no, nakakita ko
Sa mga videos ko, super laki na. Oh, I'm so big. And then even my hands and my arm.
So, I'm so bloated. I feel like napabayaan ko talaga yung sarili ko kasi like for ilang months, lagi kami nagmi-midnight snack. Tapos fast food talaga. Tapos lagi akong look for fruits kasi nga I love fruits. Napakabilis kasi talaga magpapayat ng diet. Tapos grabe kasi yung and then fasting, diet fasting. Tapos nagda-dance din ako noon. Na ngayon binabalik ko na rin. So, ang dami ko yung mga activities. Like, awala ko nga diba tennis kami. So, yun, doon ko nga nakita yung itsura ko sa pag-tennis namin. Oh, Wednesday pala yung next. So, I wanna get a nice outfit. Kasi nga, sabi ni Lara, if you can perform, Japorms. So, the Japorms na lang muna ako. As a tennis girl. Tapos, ayan, lahat ng mga videos ko, kaya hindi ko pa siya mapa-edit kasi parang sabi ko, ang laki-laki ko. Ano sasabi mo lang?
Totoo yan.
Hindi daw, sabi niya sa akin kanina.
Okay na yan.
Yan ang pinaka-okay na body mo. Binabola lang niya ako. Pero kasi ngayon, I'm happy. Masayahin naman ako and everything. Kasi nung nangyari yun, nung gano'n ako kapayat, ang ganda nga siya tignan, pero di talaga siya okay because init talaga ng ulo ko and then hilo-hilo. Tapos yun nga, naging masakitin kami. So, hindi ko alam paano ko gagawin na pumayat ng gano'n kabilis kasi the Stardust Festival is on September 7. Like, I have a month magpapayat. So yun, that's the update. And then, ito rin yung update ko. May umano ng aming office dito.
Yeah. Dadagdagan natin. Kulang natin start.
Papayat
naghang.
ako ng 1 month.
Ano ba to? Laptop ko to. Naghahang.
Naghahang? Ayan.
Oh, see? Ayaw, mag-load.
What do you mean? Mag-load. Hello, malaki ko.
No.
Hindi naman ang bigat ko.
Walang gaan-gaan mo.
Yeah. Okay, let's say good night now.
Good night.
Bye na, video ko ma.
Wait, me too. Say bye-bye. Good night.
Bye-bye, good night.
See you tomorrow.
What's it? See you tomorrow. Say bye-bye to Camilla.
Bye.
Mama.
Ma.